Afternoon tubers. That's the time. And temp is about 85, almost 90 in the garage. But yeah, that's back in there. And the frame for the bottom frame for the top is bolted into place. So, and I still got to work on the base where the receiver, where I put the 1/4-inch rod couplings. I want to do that a little bit better. I don't like the way that came out. So, but anyway, I got to thinking last night. You know, I got an old mailbox, or U.S. Postal Service priority mail, and I cut out of some templates. I cut out, there's 45s, but I was thinking, mounting you guys, and I got more to, if I want to cut out more, I can got that there. But I was thinking is figuring out how to mount you guys on a tripod to sit there and do it. You know, if I do something real high like this, then I'm able to work underneath you and you can see what I'm doing. Let's give that a shot. So let me get this set up, and when I do, I'll bring you guys back later. Okay guys, you're in the back seat. Now you get to look at the back of my head. Building up here, I want to put a tray in here. So how high up do we go? One place I saw the total thickness of the console in this area is 4 inches. So, So if we put another 2 inches on top of here roughly, it's going to look like this. Which will give us about 1 inch to the bottom of the dash. Not 3/4 of an inch to the bottom of the dash. If we do 1.5 inches, now I found a tray on Amazon that's about 2 inches deep, and that's going to be delivered today. So let's see, that is about 1.5 inches. And that's 1.5 inches, bringing this up almost 1.5 inches. And then the 1 inch. And that brings us probably inch and 3/4, inch and 7/8. So, and if we come down here, the 20 degrees looks like it'll work. I mean, yeah. Actually, hold on guys. Hang on. You're going to shaky cam. Warning. You got to see it from here. Sorry guys, I apologize. But yeah. Now the 45 going back up. Yeah, it looks like it can do it. This is roughly the opening I gave. Because what I'm thinking is I'll build this that slides in here all as one unit. I'll have studs coming down, let's say from here and from here, and studs coming up from here to here. So as I slide it in, then I can reach behind it and let's say put some wing nuts or tighten it up, but have it like a wedge that the more you get it, set it in, the more it will sit there and set the console down and hold the console in place. The only thing we need to hold is that front, and so everything else is pretty good. I could put a mount here. But I don't know. Yeah, so if we, I wonder what this looks like, 20 degrees. Did this 20 degrees. Well, 20 degrees looks a little better for it to start up on. Yeah. And it'd match that 20. So, yeah, interesting. So, I'm thinking the top tray will be 1 inch to there, roughly there, goes back up on, I'm going to use, thinking the 20 degrees. So what do you guys think? Should we go 20 degrees going up? 45? Or split the difference and do a 30 degrees? Hold on, I'll cut a 30 degree out. Hang on, I'll be right back. 20. I think 30 looks better. I don't know. Right in here is going to be the window switches and if I need anything else. So, and there's a few other things we got to start talking about too. And once we get out, we'll sit there and do that. So, yeah. I'm thinking 30 degrees. What do you guys think? Now, these seats are worn out and the stops are worn out and everything else. ASIC Eric asked what angle are the seats at. So maybe mimic that. So so what is that? 55, 50, 51, 52. Yeah, about 50. Hold it. Oh, my eyes are getting bad. Come on, settle down. There we go. Is that about a 650, 55, 56? Yeah. I don't know, I sort of like the 30 degree one myself. Yeah. So it'll carry 1 inch going through here and up through here. 1 inch will give me more than enough. I got all this space down in here, so any other wiring. So, okay. All right. I'll wait and see what you guys have to say. Wonder what 30 degrees would look up here. What do you think of 30 degrees up there? That looks a little different. I like it that comes out a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. All right. Seeing 20 degrees is going to the wayside. It looks like 30 degrees is going to be it. So, now, oh man. Printed this up. Special thanks goes out to ASIC Eric. He's doing a 77 Camaro. And he helped me find these, the charging port, USB charging port. And then I found the plastic storage tray and then the radio connection to put the radio connection in. So, all right, now where to put the charging port. You want to put it to where everybody can use it. Now, like I said before, there's not going to be too many people in the back of the car. At least I don't think so. My 68 I had when I was stationed at Tampa, Florida, it was the 68 SS 396. And there was only one time I had 4 people in that car. The rest was just 3 or 2. So, so where to put the charging port? So you could put it here with the windows right here, like in here. And we'll have all those today, so, and I'm not building anything today, we're still in the design phase, so, and that's why this is going to get loaded up. The work that I did on this last night will be on the weekly video, but the design videos, when I'm asking questions, will be loaded up right away. So, put it here. Actually, what I was thinking, this is going to come up to about here, and then come back and go back, and I'm going to have probably about a 3-inch spot. I'm thinking of putting a charging station right up here. That way if we do have somebody in the back seat and they want to charge, they can pop it in there. The radio port to hook your phone to the radio for navigation or songs is going to go in that. I'm thinking more and more into this 30-degree piece here, along with this. So, then I got to look at everything when it gets here to see. But I don't know. So what do you guys thought? Charging port here or up here? I mean, even if it's up here, you could still, sitting in the passenger seat, you could plug it in. I mean, I could plug it in from the driver's side. So, give it a thought. Let me know what you guys think. So, yep. So, that's it. I'm going to be playing out here. I might start building a few things and seeing what it looks like, and bring you guys back. But first I'm going to load this up and see what you guys think. But I'm liking the 30 degrees better than the 20. I'm thinking the 1 inch, the top be 1 inch, until we get back here, because then it's going to go up almost 8.5 inches off the ground. So it's going to go up some. Leave the space in the back for the box area. Leave a space in the back about that big for the charging station, or put the charging station between those, right between here and here, because the window switch is going to go there. I'm intentionally leaving that blank for anything else that I might want to put down there for the driver's side. So there you go, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. And again, guys, I'm asking for your comments. 30 degrees, 20 degrees, 45 degrees, come on. 1 inch, inch and a half, 2 inches, how tall should the top layer be? And like I said, I got a tray coming and we'll have that. So the next design video will probably be tomorrow, and I'll show you what I'm thinking of then. All right, later.